Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. This is Everyday Finance and I'm your host Bobby. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out to watch this video. While you're here, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you can get updates on future content and videos similar to what you'll see in today's video. For today's video, we're going to talk about TrueBill and how it can create stability with your finances and your life overall. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. TrueBill, for those who don't know, is an app-based service that allows you to track all of your accounts, credit cards, and investments so that you can get one big picture of your overall finances. Before we dive into the many features of this app, let me just say that I am not endorsed, paid, or sponsored by TrueBill. But if you want that to happen, TrueBill, I'm your man. I'm also an avid and everyday user of the app as well. TrueBill at its origin was created by three brothers, the Moxazadas, in their Maryland basement in 2016. The original premise of the app was bill tracking and subscription cancelizations. Now fast forward 5 years and $1.275 billion later, they sold to Rocket Companies, aka Dan Gilbert, or the owner of the Cleveland Cavaliers. Now TrueBill credits itself as being an all-in-one financial app. Their mission statement is to empower everyone to live their best financial lives, and boy, do they live up to that. TrueBill currently offers 7 options to its users: managing subscriptions, spending insights, bill negotiation, budgeting, autopilot savings, credit scores, pay advances, and the yet to be released and coming soon, TrueCard. Let's dive right into the managing subscriptions. When you sign up for TrueBill and link an account, TrueBill analyzes the account for recurring expenses. From here, it categorizes those expenses and tells you if you can cancel, negotiate for lower prices, or save money by not incurring the expense at all. It truly helps give you a broader picture of your expenses from the weekly, monthly, and yearly perspective. Let's face it, many of us sign up for apps or services through trial periods and just forget to cancel them. TrueBill finds these expenses and eliminates them. $5 or $10 doesn't sound like much, but when you have 5 to 10 services charging $5 to $10, that money begins to add up, and that's money that you and your family can keep in your pocket, or better yet, invest it to make more money for you overall. My favorite option within this app has to be its bill negotiation service. From cell phone bills to car insurance, TrueBill will attempt to negotiate a lower bill for you. There is one caveat, however. This is a paid service. The amount of this varies between $3 to $12 as you get to choose how much you pay for it. In addition, TrueBill charges you a percentage of what they save you, between 30 to 60% of the annual amount. Now hold on, I know what you're thinking. 30 to 60% of an annual amount could be a substantial sum, right? But previously, TrueBill would charge you this amount up front. Due to customer complaints and yada yada yada, of course, they have given the option to handle this amount in payment installments so that it's not as large up front. To be clear, all of the paid services within the TrueBill app are the cancellation concierge, credit score report, data export, pay advance, premium chat, real-time sync, shared account, and smart savings. Now I'll be frank with you guys, based on my own experience of using this TrueBill service for over a year, both the regular and paid subscription services, I have yet to use the data export, shared account, premium chat, or the pay advance features. That's not to say that you won't find these to be useful utilities that you can use to manage your finances. I'm just giving you guys information based on my own experience. And for most people, there are a plethora of credit score reporting services that are available. What helps TrueBill is that you get the ability to have all of these together in one space. With all of that being said, let's talk about some of the other available features. The Spending Insight option categorizes all of your spending and gives you real data on how you spend your money. You can also set up categorical budgets so that you get notified when you buy something within a specific category or when you're near the top of your budget. This helped me tremendously when I found out how much I was spending monthly on food, and it helped me create a budget to slash that amount completely. TrueBill's Autopilot Savings takes money from your linked accounts and saves it in an account you can see under Savings. Similar to Acorns, your account is analyzed, and based on your preset parameters, money is taken out and placed into this savings account. It's great if you're looking to save money towards Christmas, a vacation, or an emergency fund as well. So let's say you're running low on cash and need some extra money to cover an expense. The Pay Advance feature has you covered up to $100. When your next payday comes around, the advance is repaid and it's done. Simple as that. The advance is also placed in your account interest-free and within seconds. Now, if you paid attention earlier, the one feature that isn't available that I did list is TrueCard. There is a wait list, however, and TrueCard is just a credit card for TrueBill users. When more information is available about this card, rest assured I'll do a video on it. Well guys, I hope that this information on TrueBill has been significant and good for you and your family. If it has, and you like this video content, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you can get updates on future content and videos similar to what you saw in today's video. And always remember guys, there is no goal that is unattainable when you apply everyday finance. I'll see you guys in the next video.